so much for joining us today at Ontario Tech's virtual open house. Throughout the event, you'll be able to connect with faculty, staff, and students from across our entire university. There's a lot going on, so we want to help you make the most of your time. Start by joining a program presentation and Q&A session. Do this for as many programs as you're interested in. For a schedule of the program presentations, navigate to the top of your screen and click on the faculty headings. To see our beautiful campus, you'll definitely want to check out our 360-degree guided virtual tour. And if you have questions about admissions, residence, student awards, student life, or athletics, you'll also need to navigate to the top of your screen and click on the correlating headings, and you can start chatting with them. Thank you again so much for joining us, and we can't wait to connect with you.